Hello and welcome to Law Street Journal. Today, we delve into a brewing legal storm that could reshape the very foundation of India's criminal justice system. A plea in the Supreme Court seeks to halt the implementation of three controversial new criminal laws, while the Bar Council of India scrambles to quell mounting unrest among lawyers nationwide. The petition urges the issuance of a writ of mandamus to form an expert committee immediately and to stay the implementation of the new laws, that are the Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita, the Bharatiya Sakshya Adhiniyam, and the Bharatiya Nagrik Suraksha Sanhita. It claims that the laws were passed with minimal public participation and contain many defects and discrepancies. The petition emphasizes that while the bills aim to replace colonial era laws, the unchanged police system remains a symbol of colonial rule requiring reform. Amidst the uproar against the new criminal laws, the State Bar Council of West Bengal has declared July 1 as Black Day in protest against the new laws. They term these laws as anti-people, undemocratic and draconian. In response to the West Bengal Bar Council's declaration, the Bar Council of India has requested bar associations across the country to refrain from strikes or protests. BCI Chairman Manan Kumar Mishra has assured that the concerns of the legal fraternity are being taken seriously. The BCI plans to form a committee comprising senior lawyers, former judges, and impartial activists to address these issues and propose necessary amendments. Despite the BCI's assurances, tensions remain high within the legal community as the new laws are set to take effect on July 1st. Amidst the legal upheaval, it is noteworthy that the Delhi High Court Bar Association was among the first to embrace the new laws and even organized a special lecture series on the revised criminal statutes in association with Law Street Journal. Now, will these new criminal laws withstand the legal and public scrutiny, or will they be stayed in light of the growing opposition? Stay tuned as we bring you the latest developments.